Have you ever seen someone buy things without using cash? No money in their hand, but they still pay. They just use a small plastic card, and it works like magic. But here's the truth. It's not magic. It's a credit card. And if you don't understand it, it can become very dangerous. Today, we're going to learn how credit cards really work and how to use them the smart way. What is credit card? Let's make it simple. A credit card is not your money. It's borrowed money. When you use a credit card, a bank pays for you first. Then later, you must pay the bank back. So when you buy something, you are actually saying, I will pay this later. It feels easy, but that's where the danger begins. Let's imagine this. You want a new video game. It costs $50. You don't have money right now, but you have a credit card. So you buy it. Easy, right? But now you owe $50. And if you don't pay it quickly, something else happens. Interest. That means you don't just pay $50. You might pay $55 or even $60, just because you waited. Interest is like a fee. It's the cost of borrowing money. Think of it like this. The bank says, OK, you can use our money, but you must pay extra. The longer you wait, the more extra you pay. This is how many people get into trouble. They keep spending, but don't pay back on time. And the debt grows, bigger and bigger. Here's the biggest problem. Credit cards don't feel like real money. When you use cash, you see it leaving your hand. But with a card, you just tap and it's gone. No pain. This makes people spend more, sometimes way more. And if they don't keep track, they end up in debt. That means they owe money and can't easily pay it back. But here's the good news. Credit cards are not bad. If you use them the right way, they can be helpful. Here are simple rules. Only spend what you already have. Always pay your full bill on time. Never ignore your balance. And think before you buy. Smart people use credit cards like a tool, not like free money. So remember this. A credit card is not magic. It's a responsibility. It can help you or hurt you. The difference is simple. Knowledge. If you understand it, you control it. If you don't, it controls you. And always remember, don't spend money you don't have, because the easiest money to spend is often the hardest to pay back.